everyone, it's Sonia from Just Women's Business, and today I want to show you a couple of my favourite hacks in Canva that have saved my tushy many a times, and I think you'll find it'll help you speed up your design process in Canva. One is the undo redo arrow, which you probably use anyway, and the other one is the template, duplicating a template and while you're editing another one. So without further ado, I'll X myself out and we'll get on with the tutorial. So the first one is the duplicate page. So I've just loaded up a template that I had used before as an Instagram how-to tutorial. And I think, yep, I'm pretty happy with that, but I just think it needs a little bit of tweaking. Before I get carried away, I'll duplicate that page, save the top one as the good master file or master template, as I'll say, and the second one I'll start editing. So and just say I'll change the text there, and then I might delete or move the picture, and then I don't want the Pinterest button, and I get carried away, and then I think, oh look, I've totally lost the whole concept here. What I do is I just trash that page, go back to the top one, redo, duplicate another page, and then I start working on that. So I might just want to change that to a 2 for the next tutorial too. If you want to keep going, you might have like 5 steps to something in Canva, or 5 steps to something how to sell better online. You just keep duplicating that page, and then you've got your templates already set up and in like a similar format without reinventing the whole wheel. So the next thing I wanted to show you, obviously, I'm pretty sure you know it, it's the undo button. And so just say I've duplicated this, and I might change that to a green, because I think the number 2 should be a green, number 3 should be pale pink, and then I don't want the Pinterest button there because I'm talking about something else. And then all of a sudden I think, no, I do want the Pinterest button. So I'll just go to the undo. It reinstates the Pinterest. Then I don't want that pink there, and I'll go undo again. It'll make it hot pink. Then I remembered this one was the green. I don't want that. So it sort of just goes back the steps you did. And then just say, oh no, I do want number 2 to be green. So you go back to the redo button. So it's really handy to use, especially if you're working on a template and you start to get a bit carried away. You're deleting things, moving things, and it's all just starting to look skew. If you just go undo, 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 it brings it back to the steps that you did that you didn't want, if that makes sense. So I hope that's helped, and it'll save you lots of time when you're designing Canva, and also when you do make design mistakes, it's a really good way to use the undo button and sort of get you back to the original design you were happy with. So I hope that's helped, and have fun.